there's been a huge increase in just the biodiversity on the farm. I mean, this was just grass before, and now there's like probably hundreds of different insects that are visiting the plants. So more biodiversity is almost always a good thing. So yeah, there's no doubt that it's attracting pollinators to the farm, whether they're also going to our zucchini, probably. And we've also noted a lot of syrphid flies, which are a big pollinating type of insect, and a lot of in the larva stage are predators of aphids. And there was one day where I saw a ton of those on the mountain mint and the yarrow when it was blooming, and we usually have like kind of an outbreak of aphids on the tomatoes, and this year we didn't. So
trying to get plants that were blooming through the growing season. So we have the common yarrow, which bloomed first, that followed by the mountain mint, and then the New York ironweed, and then lastly we have the gray goldenrod. So we have a pollinator source for the whole growing season.
Finding anything? See, this is, oh, that's green. That stem is green. I can smell it.
Yeah.
Get all these dragonflies.